King syudad man o kareng baryo, ela malyaring mawala king dalandeng motorsiklo. Pauli na ning problema king mass transport system, matinding traffic at malakurudo. Dakal no kareng kaya katamong kabalendeng pakamotor.
Basiking Asian Development Bank, palak na lang mas marakal reng Pilipinong ating motorsiklo kaysa kareng 4 wheels. At ngening banwang 2023, akakitra kano na pangaluning kaya katamong bansa keng miyembro ng ASEAN Nation ating maragula demand keng motorsiklo.
Agpang keng presidente at CEO na ning Kilton Motor Corporation ay Johnny Tan, kakatluyeng Pilipinas keng peka maragula market na ning motorcycle industry keti Southeast Asia.
From January to July, they sold 932,220 units from January to July, at an average monthly of 174,220 units. So the Philippines is the number 3 largest market in ASEAN. Of course, Indonesia is number 1, Vietnam is second, and the Philippines is running very close third to the wholesale motorcycle market.
Kaya naman netong kanu kareng susubong na ngayon ng Clark Development Corporation o CDC, ing pamagsamas kareng pasilidad, kilob na ning Clark Freeport and Economic Zone para kareng motorcycle riders. Agpang kang CDC President and CEO Attorney Agnes VST de Venadera at inyang potensyal para king economic development ning Clark ing two-wheel industry.
Actually, the motorcycle group tided us over during the pandemic. Wala kang sasakyan nun, di ba? Pero, all those motorcycle enthusiasts gave the lending hand to people who needed to be transported, particularly even for money medicines.
Bukod kareng mas masanting adalan para kareng motorsiklo, milagela naman kanong charging stations ing Department of Energy o DOE king Freeport para kareng electric bikes.
In fact, the Department of Energy already has their statistics, and they think that it is the motorcycle industry that should be the center of their concentration, where we can start the e-vehicle program. DOE is coming over in December to be able to install the fast charging stations. And their target is really to cater to the motorcycle groups.
Samantala, banglakwas deng pakilala ing Clark ang timong lugal para kareng motorcycle enthusiast marapaiyak ing November 17 hanggang November 19, 2023 ing Clark International Festival of Speed king Clark International Speedway. Keti mika exhibit lareng nialiwang bike and accessory supplier at mika local and international race mo naman. Kaya be mo naman ganu kareng karelang agenda ing mika awareness lareng riders tungkol keng road safety.
The idea is to invite as many people to the event as possible, so the entrance will be free.
Ako yung kaya kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.